Who is Pappu Singh? What is his connection with Prashant Kishore? Prashant Kishore was a political strategist before joining politics. He has been a strategist who has worked with all the top political parties of the country. But now he himself promises to change Bihar through the victory of his political party in Bihar. In such a situation, he has been working hard in Bihar for more than 2 years. Now Prashant Kishore is also expanding his family, and with this family of Prashant Kishore, political movements also intensify, statements also intensify, and after NDA and Mahagathbandhan, everyone's eyes in Bihar are also on Prashant Kishore to see what he does, how he performs. Yesterday, after the merge of RCP Singh's party with Jan Suraj, now the announcement was made to make the MP of Bihar the national president of the party. So let's see who is the national president of Jan Suraj. The national president of Jan Suraj is Pappu Singh of Bihar. Yes, this is the name Pappu Singh, who has been in the Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress party. There was also news from inside that Pappu Singh also had full support in making Pappu Yadav win as an independent from Purnia MP. Pappu Singh is a big name in Bihar. He has an old relationship with politics and also with the administrative field. Pappu Singh has been an MP from Purnia in the years 2004 and 2009. Both these times he has won on the ticket of Bharatiya Janata Party. He joined BJP in the year 2004 at the behest of Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Before this, he was in Congress. In the year 2019, he again joined Congress. As soon as he joined the Congress party, there was a lot of talk about him contesting once again. Pappu Singh's mother Madhuri Singh has been an MP from Purnia twice from the Congress party. His father TP Singh was a senior officer of the Indian Civil Service. His elder brother NK Singh is a retired IAS and has been a Rajya Sabha MP from JDU. While he is currently with the BJP party, he was made the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission by the central government in 2017, whose term is completed in 2023. Pappu Singh also has a sister. He has 4 sisters. 2 of his sisters have been IAS officers. One of his sisters, Shama Singh, is the daughter-in-law of former Bihar CM Satya Narayan Sinha. Her husband Nikhil Kumar has been an IPS officer. Then he has been a governor. Nikhil himself has been a Lok Sabha MP from Aurangabad. His father has also been an MP from here 7 times. Shama Singh herself has also been an MP from this seat. There is a strong connection between Pappu Singh and Prashant Kishore. Pappu Singh has been standing with Prashant Kishore not from today, but from a long time. You will be surprised to know that Jan Suraj might have reached your ears when Prashant Kishore announced it. But the political party formed in the name of Jan Suraj was registered much earlier, when Prashant Kishore was not even aware of it and when he was on a tour in Bihar. After the Padayatra, when PK started thinking of forming a political party, Pappu Singh came forward and said that the party is formed from today onwards. He said that we have already got it registered so that no one troubles us by forming a party in this name letter. Not only this, when Prashant Kishore's vanity van come into the discussion during the ruckus and agitation and protest of BPSC, it also belonged to Pappu Singh. After coming into a lot of discussion and controversy, Pappu Singh himself come forward and revealed the truth. Pappu Singh has also given permission to Prashant Kishore to use a part of his Shekhpura house in Patna, since he started the Padayatra of Jan Suraj and the journey of the party. The Pappu Singh is now going to be the national president of Jan Suraj. The way Prashant Kishore is bringing Jan Suraj forward, the way he is in the news through Jan Suraj, and the way he is drawing the attention of analysts, it is expected that Prashant Kishore can bring some surprising result in the Bihar Assembly election. Although the election strategist is going to face his own litmus test in this Bihar Assembly elections.